And then could you walk us through your overall business strategy and kind of where you see yourself heading in the next couple of years?
Yeah, for sure. So in terms of so we have two sides of what CKC does. One side is CKC.Fund, and so what we've been doing is managing investment vehicles in the digital asset space. So we're a fund operator or a fund advisor, and in terms of the model and what we're preparing to do, we're thinking about this in terms of, to your point, the medium to long term value in this market, where, for example, analysts from Citi and from the World Economic Forum have talked about the overall blockchain and tokenization markets being a multi-trillion dollar opportunity, where right now I mean, the overall market's a little bit difficult to estimate, but maybe in the low trillions, and they're estimating basically closer to a 10 to 20 trillion dollar opportunity by 2030. So what we're looking to do is really to help fuel that overall trend and provide value in that. In terms of the strategy around investment management, our mindset is that there's been a lot of kind of risk seeking behavior in the crypto markets. There's a lot of kind of more gambling. And I mean, gambling is cool. You can win a lot. But the problem is you can also lose a lot. So it's fine to be gambling if what someone wants to do is gamble. But if it's a question of investing, then there needs to be more of a kind of a measured approach of researching fundamental value, diversification, risk management, looking at price correlations, trying to build out an overall portfolio that can basically mitigate risk. So what we look to do is mitigate risk across the larger digital asset portfolios that we're building. We also look to provide digital assets as a way in turn to mitigate investor risk across their larger portfolio. So we like to look at how can digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, how can they be a counterbalance given that they show low to no correlation with other markets like stocks, bonds, real estate. How can the upward trending volatility of digital assets provide an asymmetric growth opportunity for people's portfolios in a way that also kind of balances out the larger volatility across that? So that's one key area or set of areas. Another point there around what we're looking to do is we're looking to really bring more of a rigor to the digital asset space, where a lot of the kind of total wipeout scenarios that have been happening have been from being way over leveraged on really risky plays, where some people have become just like unbelievably rich overnight, but other people have lost absolutely everything or are actually in the red. And so what we're looking to do is be kind of the antidote to that, towards a more risk mitigated type of approach.